Welcome everyone to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove the bumper cover, headlights and the grille. So first let's start with the headlight. We have one bolt here, one over here, not this one right here, and there must be another one, and one over there. So pretty much 3 bolts that's holding the headlight. Same here. So if you were to remove the headlight without removing the bumper, then you would still need to reach this bolt here, or at least release the bumper from here, so you would have some space and get this bolt over here. But it's better to remove the whole bumper cover. Would be easier for you to reach this bolt over here. So now let's go ahead, and since I already removed the bumper and stuff like that, I was doing a repair to the headlights. So now I'm just gonna show you how to install the bumper cover, and let's go from there. Okay guys, so here's what you can do. So this does not fall off because it's like protection when you actually bump into something. It keeps the bumper a little bit, from bending. So I used tape. I taped it around because when you're gonna be installing the bumper, it may like come off, and stuff like that. It would be kind of hard for you, even though you already see someone taped it before. Okay, so you need to line up right here where you actually insert it. And so what I did, there's like 2 clips here, so you can put the 2 clips inside here to hold it, and then line this up as well, and there will be just 1 bolt over here. Right here. I think it's this one. Come on. Okay guys, so if you were to remove the bumper, sometimes it gets stuck like in those clips right here. Like for example, that one stuck over there. You can gently pull it up, or you can use like a flathead screwdriver. Like for example, if this is like inside here, you just press those pins down and it will disconnect. Okay, it should come off after that. So let's just put the bolt in and get all the rest. Okay, so now I'm gonna install the grille. If you were to remove the bumper or the headlight, you first need to remove the grille, okay? Because it's attached. There's like those pins right here that go inside the bumper like that. See, and those pins that go inside the headlights. Okay, so pretty much you slide this in. So guys, but don't forget to install these, okay? And to remove them, you just need to press on that on the inside, like all the way, so that a little piece would fall out, and then you can remove it. Okay. Okay, has to click each side. Okay, there we go. Then you install the whatever, those clips. Okay guys, so the pins are in. So the rest is just the bottom. I think it's pretty simple and it's self-explanatory. So I showed you the main parts of how to remove. So if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.